Whew, hey everybody, XJoe81X, and in the morning today we're going to be making some coffee, which is already fucking made, and we're going to be showing you how to fucking cook a fucking egg. Okay? One pot, one piece of flame, put pot on flame. Already cooked this egg. Okay, flames on, right? Get some pan. Not to be confused with Spam. Hit. Make it sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle in the griddle. Oh, I never did this with one hand. Crack the egg. Pa-pow! There's the egg. In my hand. Drop it down. Throw it away. Wash your hand if you want, because I've got the schmutz. Cha-chow. Got the thing. Cooking an egg. Cha, fuck you, fuck me, fuck you, fuck me, fuck you. No. Ooh, ooh. Cook the egg until you feel as it's cooked. Wonka wonka. Swirl it around. Oh, it's almost cooked now. You know what that means. Loosen it a little bit. This is touching the side. Right. Now, in a perfect world, you're supposed to just flip it. In my world, flip it. Ready? Ready? That's how you make an egg. Then you get some cinnamon toast here. Put it down. You got the butter, holding it with my belly. Can't do that. Okay, hold on. Got the butter ready on top of the chenille. And when you cook an egg, it's really to your perfection. You could use one of this and make sure it's over easy. A little bit longer. This is about to burst. I cooked it, flipped it a little bit too violently. I don't know what you're waiting for, because you're not going to get dog shit, you know? Saturday, May 19th, 2018. 7:35 in the morning, or 7:34, depending on which part of the world you're in. I think that's a pretty good hit. Yeah, it's a little bit mushy still. You lift it up, shake it, like a Polaroid picture. And cha-chow! Pow-pow! I'm going to cook a third egg, but I'm going to cook that off camera. Unless you guys want to see it. Do you want to see it? I don't really know what to say. This makes such a mess, because it goes all over the place. I saw your mia, kieta yo hoya. Oh, that's a nice one. I got a nice sizzle on that. Got the ding. Ding. You know, I'll do it twice, because you know what happens in the world we live in? Everybody thinks everybody's a jokester. Oh, Joe only cracked an egg open once. Oh, he flipped it once. That's all he did. He sucks. Do it again. He did this, he did that. Nah. I'm gonna name this How to Cook, Flip, and fucking egg, right? Hey, buddy! So once again, I got some of the old grizzle here. You wanna disconnect that. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Whoop. Right, and you take that, you know, and throw it away. Oh, no. I'm being stupid. No shit, right? Okay. Get it to the edge, right? Right? Work it out, work it out. Work it out. That was good. No, it's fine. It's fine. No, they'll cook. That's it. Let me butter my schmutz. Looks good to me. Move it around. You're never supposed to flip egg twice, a hamburger twice. I don't know about chicken. You're really supposed to know how to cook it in one shot and never flip it. You're never supposed to reheat the side again. I'm just checking for elasticity. Oh, no. My fault. I did that. I did that. Put this away because that's hot, you know. Okay, there's my breakfast. All right. We're going to get a little fancy with the panties. Right. Please hold. Get a little of this, a little of that. Whoop. Whoop. Get a little pepper, not to be confused with paprika. Okay. Well, you didn't see that, sorry. Bring it to the table. Just fucking eat something. Get the coffee. I love coffee. Jeopardy. Oh, Howie. She made herself coffee during the occasion of a special. See, that's the thing. You gotta go like this, and you gotta go, you know. No, it wasn't racist. It wasn't racist. Everything is one-handed today. Oh, no. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I figure if I get this under 10 minutes, it's worth it. We got it going. We got it going here. You know what we're going to do, right? You know what we do, right? This is how we spend our mornings. Right. Oh, sexy time. Sexy time. This is how we spend our mornings. We got our schmatter. We got our coffee. Oh, I got 1 minute. Hold on. So this is what we do. We go to subscription. We look for the schmuck. We say, oh, uh-oh. So what we'll do is I'm gonna eat. So what I'll do is I'll watch this. So then I'll pause it. No, I'll turn it around. Right, fuck Grand Cherokee. Right, fuck me. Then we'll sit there and then we'll watch it. Make sure the volume's up. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and this is my Saturday morning breakfast with JK18. Oh, under 10 minutes? Oh! Okay, thank you very much. Ciao for now.